An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to Channel 18.
The County Emergency Management Agencies for Autauga, Bibb, Chambers, Clay, Dallas, Elmore, Greene, Lowndes, Montgomery, Perry, Randolph, Shelby, Sumter, and Tallapoosa counties and law enforcement officials for each county are requesting that residents remain off roadways through at least 8 a.m. Thursday morning. Portions of the county and city roads, primary highways, and interstates in these counties are impassable. Although some improvement has been observed, temperatures will remain below freezing and drop into the teens overnight. This will allow roadways to refreeze and cause the roadways to be extremely hazardous. Please limit unnecessary travel and use extreme caution if you must travel.